Buhansu Bumogusi.
Vyake gima mwanchi umurigeli abegeta seni kia Ndizi TV ni gocheragire chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso asenero bere boikira nuko eneke mnango koletranda mangana magia na bere kagwateka kura chingongo chonsi inye chinse asinse mochichi mitandao asinse ya Facebook na bakwenda gutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega asinse media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asinse ya website na watunya gwetera www.ndizitv.net Tiretariana Frida Kerubo nolio kaneke mna chibi channel yogiria gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Mumanyi asinse mochi byorkele ni gotokobwatanere Lydia Mose toskato nyegerangu irananda segeke kerbosio elindengo manye amange Mwanchi umurigireli yangu kwaligani bene ilinde tobeto gosanga asubwa mogo chakabona igago ika omoelio amajaje birebiga ni gotoko ya chakakorwa ase county ya Nyamira asengo kumenyabuna maiga yogo chakia umurobeli bokorwa obasemia gochia ase aborkwa ababere bakonyora scholarship wetera ase serikali ye county yo nigo umurobeli yo bakogoika omoelio litkulialero umurobeli yo bere gokoragwa no mugabana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo kubwaterana n'ababwatani b'ikisemi korwa ase wizara y'ikisemi korwa ase county yo nigo babakuru basemya guchikweneke bna aborkyo bali bakonyora scholarship yongo korabare umukia nabigo gwekonya amatko abosyo wokwana umorkyo manene korwa ase skuru ya Nyansiongo nigo arwa obasemya guchya ase aborkyo wabo nabigo kweneke bna ngokonye kabale wetera kubeka omukia anene ase chisemi chabo.
To thank you that God be with you. You continue touching more so that we can make our county to grow. And for the beneficiaries, work hard, make use of this scholarship you have been given well. My governor, I was given a letter to come to this school. That was in 1986.
Ababwatani bekia magia ODM nigo litkulialero batwara egeikaro ime county ya Kisii asogokwanera liberera lya gesiasa eligendete kwenikigwa ime county yo okwana kurwa sensemeli ya ATC nigo babakurwa egekuri getindi gocha ase ondebwensi orabega koira kiara gocha ase mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ase kulinde bagoserelia okorobekana.
What is happening in
chairman yakwanire na inche tindi kogenda kenyume na mangana atebire nga muntu nde bwensi pio koira simbe kyaro okunire ndoro ya muntu ki okunire ndoro yaki intumu nabasaye gosase county ya Kisii ngocha katura maandamano totali korara nande kenyengi manema tengekere twachakira maandamano igotoko babantu ababe kabisa. So we are telling the agencies or the security agencies that if you are not going to respect Governor Simbarati, tukichukua sheria katika mikononi yetu, mutaona cha mtemakuni, hatutarudi nyuma. We will make sure that Governor Simba mpaka amekuwa respected. Simba power.
Unenjire moyo gokiania emibasokano ase chipara ni gomuraibense Dr. William Ruto aimukige tambukero naboigo gotwara ege ikaro nababwatani akorwa ase wizara ya chipara gokwana nigo aboli ababwatani abo kweneke bunangoro bali amaigerio amaikirano gocha ase abatumiki bechipara elinde kwenekya obokoreri obuyakorende nigo abakako gikeria ebikorwa byobokurumi ebyabeire bikwenekigwa ase chipara asane kebna na biyo byabere bikoyirira emibasokano emenge koenekigwa.
Rather, road safety must be understood to be the outcome of consistent collaboration between various actors in the public and private sector, civil society organizations, the media, development partners who are present here, actors in the whole of this space, and I have been privileged to listen to many people who have very positive contributions to make to tame this menace. In the public sector, our justice, law, and order agencies must coordinate the sustained, robust law enforcement by ensuring that offenders are detected, apprehended, prosecuted, punished swiftly and transparently. Corruption is an enabler of impunity and a significant contributor to road carnage. We all know how the contribution of corruption aids overspeeding, reckless driving, drunk driving, and allows those who commit these crimes to escape because they can bribe their way through our system. Road users, especially the private sector transport operators, as well as the motoring community, also have a duty road safety requirement without seeking shortcuts. Evading inspection, neglecting motor vehicle safety maintenance, reckless behavior on the road, and paying bribes to avoid accountability are serious forms of
Ababunge abasubati nigo baganire mu waziri w'obucheno Susan Nakumincha gwetigia emirimo anene ase ogotayikirania omoroberio olinda mama oyobere kogosira abasubati bali bakurakura chinga kitali kwenyara anene chinga kichiri bakoibora okwana isko yebunge nigo bayenekebna niga abasubati abange babere bagochandika asa abandi babere bagosiria obugima bwabo amona abana babo ase bayenekebna ningo omorobili yobete gokorusibona bogokoreta asara enene asibabire bakwenekebna mbachikobeka emirobili mikeno kwenekebna omorobili yo obere gokoirana.
Embarrassing us as your fellow women. We want to protect you as our fellow woman, but we don't want you to come to this parliament. You are putting us in a crisis, in a fix. We want to be here as women MPs, protecting and supporting you. But you cannot be in a docket where you are the one who is sabotaging your fellow women. You cannot expect women to hold on. It's not like us here where we want to look nice to you and we tell you tuck in and we tuck in our stomach. We can't tuck in babies.
That leaves a serious gap, and that is a gap that is actually subjecting our mothers and our newborns into serious pains and agonies. So we are wondering whether our mothers who are due to deliver their babies in April and May and June are going to hold their babies in their stomach waiting for delivery in July when the cards that Nakumincha is processing are going to be ready. You cannot tell me to wait tomorrow as you prepare a new card for me. And therefore, I think it is ignorant of the government of Kenya through the Ministry of Health to assume that every mother who is going to deliver in May, in April, in May and June can wait for July. Thank you very much.
Chinga kecho boigo nigo omobunge Odagoreti North Beatrice Elachi na boigo omo Women Rep County ya Nairobi Esther Passaris nigo bayenekire gochakobeka omoswada bosi bwebunge eligotanga okuniriligwa kwa baswati gokwana nigo bayenekebna niga baswati abange bakobiteriliwa gokora obwanchani elinda kwayenekebna nkonyora bale emerimo asibayenekebna mbachikweneke abaswati mbali chikonerelwa chingaki bakoligia emerimo.
We met with the other members, with the Deputy Speaker. We went through all the bills, and we've realized this is the same issue that happened in Kericho. This is the same thing that is happening in the tea farms. This is the same thing. Every woman somewhere goes through sextortion for her to get either a job, for her to get something. And so today we are here after we have sat down and realized what amendments do we need to do.
This is not only criminal, we want to make this criminal, but we also feel that it is degrading. It is a sexual gender-based violence against women. It's not covered in our Sexual Offences Act. We want to make sure that it's entrenched in the Penal Code, and then we want to also take it into other statutes. We want the people that extort sex for essential services to actually end up in jail. This is an offense. It is not right. We want the teachers that ask for sex so that they can give you good grades, all right, to end up in jail.
Unenchereye moyo gokiania okuburwa kwemirimo asense ya Kenya nigo abasaye babuligo kweneke buna nkweli kebale elinde ko inyorera amabaga yemirimo asechense kiri kyesiko gokwana nababwatani korwa ase wizara ya leba nigo beneke buna nige wizare yo yaberege ko betayinse ese yo wanchirana nechense kiri kyesiko ase amagane y'aba Kenya arabe kago ikiranirwa anene ase babekire emirobili yo gutanga kuneligwa kwa Kenya abagokora emirimo asechense kirikesiko boigoni go bane kebna egetambukiro buneke kera abasaye barabe bakwenyorera emirimo gari sechense kirikesiko mbabe bakwirana asense ya Kenya na boigo kwene kebna ngo gachabale enibo yabo eyo erabege kwene kebna abange mbachikwenyorera emirimo.
And what we are doing is we are not just encouraging them to migrate abroad and capitalize on these opportunities. We want them to go for short-term contracts so that they can come back home and invest in our local economy so that our economy expands. And as they invest, they will also offer employment opportunities to their younger brothers and sisters. The bilateral labor agreements we are negotiating as it is currently are human rights based. Ile mambo tulikuwa tunasikia hapo zamani, Mkenya ameenda pengine nchi fulani huko Middle East, alafu simu yake imechukuliwa, haitaweza kutendeka tena kulingana na zile bilateral labor agreements ambayo tunasign.
Homo Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi nigarurege kurege tindi gochia ase chisegi echiganda takwene kigwa asensele ya Sudan okwana aso musangirikano bokoreta omorembe asense yoni go Musalia abolire nsemo yobolendi kwane kebnango bekabale emerobele yogotinya obolendi asense meyo nakolenta okoigwana okokora chikoba gokwane kebna uchumi yense yo ngokinere yaberege korokana kuirana magega asamatko abwangoiga.
What is happening in Sudan, ladies and gentlemen, needs extreme attention because the new people, the young people, the ones who are displaced will need support. The host communities will need support. They're going to carry a burden of supporting humanity for many years to come.
Waziri wabachenu Susan Kuminja ni gaberika weso kevena na boigo kwene kevna Nairobi tebo ikirano asogotwara chingwana na banyagitari na boigo kwene kia okoigwana aya magega yo kwemurunganyo konge kwene kigwa korwa ase abakenya abagendete gusiria obugima bwabo na boigo abange gochandika ase chinga cyaba na boigo chinyagitari cy'abantu nyene kubatkana no mugiro oyoberego kwene kigwa asamatukamange.
We are working round the clock to ensure an amicable and lasting solution is reached. What we do not want to do as a government is to put a bandage on a wound without treating it.
We are hopeful that with the collaboration with the Council of Governors, I know we are working hand in hand to make sure that we come with the best decision that will bring a mediation to this stalemate. Then our country will continue to receive health services.
Abarai bechi kanisa korwa sensemo ya kimilili nigo baganirie serikali koeneke blango twara bale chinkwana chioko igwana amona abanyagitari ase ogukora omugiro oyogendete koenekigwa okwana nigo babere bakomocha serikali asogotekerania amaganio y'abanyagitari ekikirire abakenya bange gusiria obugima bwabo na bange kogendera guchandika
daktari ambao wamekoma waweze kuyaona ama kusikia vilio ya watu wa chini so that warudi kazini na wananchi wapate huduma yao. Kwa hivyo naomba serikali, viongozi wetu, tafadhali kaa pamoja na madaktari wakarudi kazini ili huduma iweze kupatikana na tusiwe na machangwa yoyote kuhusiana na afya ya mwananchi.
Tumeona hata kwa vyombo vya habari watu wakiteseka wakiwa kwa viti tu, wakiwa na ngoja huduma ya madaktari na hawajaipata, kumaanisha ya kwamba wakati kunakuwa na hizo delays za viongozi wa kiserikali kuongea na idara ya matibabu, basi watu wetu wanazidi kufa, na hao watu ndio wenyewe walichagua.
Mancho murigereria korwa soro baturuni unaikira mwaelio wa mangana maya ase birebiga kulinde toskato nyegera chikoraga chensa 10 ayona mange no yanyora senchira yobwenge nabakwenda kutubwatia chensa chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabatumya gwetera www.ndizitv.net magachi kamera soko nekibuna ebicha nabagelio gira gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Mumanya sensemo chebyorkele tobeto kubatanere Lydia Mose na Ncheria ne Frida Kerubo twara obuligelia forobya.
Omoibuli koiru mwana we skuru mbuya korende nkobwatire skuru kikwa moira ebyo konyora migirio yebirengo byigoro Potters Premium School na obagosoira ime nigo babwate ebirasi kurwa playgroup PP1 PP2 grade 1 gweka grade 3 eskuru nigebwate aborokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro na boigo ubaisaine nigere nsemo tabwatirioge erengia asogosomera mbabwata magacho yekerero kurwa bali ndagera ya balanced diet nechigari cho